Hello. Pardon my hair. Got out of the shower and decided today will be a day I'm going to try a bunch of stuff that's been sitting, waiting for me to try and scaring the heck out of me while I wait. Okay, I got my little ghost earring going because why not? Sometimes you feel a little ghosty. Well, today's the day. Ghosty. What I have here today, and I will link this below, is a V8 Plus. It's an energy drink, strawberry banana, steady energy from black and green tea. It looks like there is 50 calories per serving. This is 50% juice, non-GMO, gluten-free, no sugar added, no artificial colors. Excellent source of vitamins per serving. Alright. Right there. Brightened. I'm not a big energy drink person. Okay. Right off the bat, I can really smell the strawberry banana. So, that's hopeful. Let's see how it looks. Pretty color. If you've ever had this before, let me know what you thought of it. And if you haven't had this before, do you like energy drinks in general? Are you someone who enjoys them? I've never found one that I can enjoy or handle. It's usually the citrus aspect of it that really puts me into a downward spiral of yuckiness. So I'm hoping, like I said, this is very banana strawberry forward on the smell. So let's go in and taste. Cheers. Okay. I see you, V8. Definitely strawberry forward. There is no harsh tartness or sourness, which is nice. There is a little bit of a like zippy little taste at the end, just a little bit of yeah, just a little bit tangy at the end. I'm not sure what that is. Wonder what it is. If they have a sugar replacement in this, that might be what I'm tasting at the end. Because that's what it reminds me of, is some kind of a, not aspartame per se, but something in that range where it's kind of like a, leaves an almost dry tasting consistency at the back end. Yeah, this actually, for an energy drink, this is not horrible. I shouldn't have been as scared of it as I was. If you like strawberry banana and you're looking for a pop of energy, this might be it. Let's see here. Caffeine level. Looks like 80 milligrams of caffeine in this. So that probably gives someone a boost. I mean, like I said, I'm not an energy drink person. I've got enough energy naturally. I don't need any assistance. But if you do need a little pick-me-up, this might not be a bad choice. I would give this, for energy drinks, I would give this a 4 out of 5. And I am actually very surprised at myself because I usually don't go that high with most products. But for an energy drink, this is actually palatable. I know. It's very surprising to me as well. Thank you so much for watching this. Let me know down below if you've tried this, what you thought. And if you have not tried this before, let me know if you drink any energy drinks. Do you drink them? Do they help you? Do they give you that boost? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.